Hello everyone, let's dive right into talking about pound yen, and this explosive candle is happening in the last like 2 weeks, guys. Now let's dive right in. So if you look at the charts, guys, pound yen is basically making like a hammer. This volatility has been insane. Like, I have talked to you guys in the previous videos about me taking profits in this area right here, and it has been really good. I thought about making a buy limit down to this zone down here, but I wait for the closed candle to see what would happen, and it ran straight through, so knocked me out of my other trades, but they all took profit because I lock in my trades like I talk about in all my videos when it comes to trading. And now it came down. I did take a small short while scalping this all the way down, took some profits, and then I entered on a buy order currently where it is at right now. So in this zone, I took a buy here. Now, the reason for it is because, one, I think that long term that this is going to slowly fill up and build more orders back again. Like, we might be heading, let's see, right here and start building up more orders, building more candles up, and then slowly building back up. I think this candle here was a good way to weed and shake out traders before the larger move up. Kind of like this right here. See how it just dramatically ran down for 3 weeks? Like, did this little candle showing a reverse is about to happen, down, and then woo, way down. Knocked out a lot of traders. And if you enter down here, like I'm kind of doing right here, buying in the downtrend, buying right here, you can be getting in a really good zone for a good pullback up. So we kick it to, so we zoom out a little bit. This was a very significant buying point down here. And if it does it again, it might head up even higher, because I believe that, you know, I have to look into the charts and see where the direction of the yen's going, and yen is getting massacred. So if the yen gets massacred and gets even lower, these zones might be possible, and it's a really good zone for a long-term buy. Now, long-term buy means you're talking about a few months to a few weeks to a year, but there's some things that I like to do when it comes to trading. I like to add multiple positions at key levels, either on a buy stop or on a pullback, and then keep layering it. And then when I enter in, I basically cut my position in half one with the target profit, and one I just lock in the trade and let that one run. So when it hits to my exit indicator, it'll tell me when to exit the trade. Usually I'll exit on a peak or something, or right after it, depending on how the trade is hitting that area, fast or slow. If hitting it fast, most likely is going to go away. If it's hitting it slow, then you might be able to catch a higher trend again. But the special, if you take some of the rates off on the specification stuff, guys, look at that. Swap long is doing pretty good. So holding a trade long when it comes to this is actually very beneficial, especially if you have a whole bunch of ones stacked up. So if it does go down negative for a while, you can withstand it. I'll withstand it pretty good, because I'll have multiple positions building up that positive swap. And then if it hits up to this top, I think it's very beneficial trade long term. Now, I could go into the news. If you guys want to go into the news when it comes to pound yen, let me know. I can do that. Just put that in the comments section. I'll check that out. We can have that discussion. But if you're planning on buying or thinking it might be reverse, just let me know in your comments in the section below. If you look at the politics, look at some of the laws coming out for Japan, absolutely horrendous. I know the pound is also going to do bad too, but I think Japan's going to do a whole lot worse long term than the pound. But that's my thoughts on when it comes to pound yen. Tell me what you guys' thoughts are below. Please check out my website, andrejmcclinton.com. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys. Like the video, share the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.